When I found this image, I wanted to generate a video from this for my website, but without any complex methods, so I used simple CSS to generate this video from that image. We can see different views of the abstract cube in the video. Similarly, another video from this scenery. You can also generate similar videos from the images using simple CSS. For that, I created a basic HTML file and styled the body. You start by adding a container element for the image. Next, style the container element by setting its width and height as per requirement and set a border radius of 3 mm. Next, set the background to the image for the video. As the image size is too high, we can only see a small part of it. Fix it by adjusting the background size. Now we can see the full image. But initially I used background size of 300%. Next, add an linear animation called move of duration 5 seconds and runs infinitely. Now we will create this move animation, starting from background position 0,02, ending at 100,100. We can observe the image moving, but instead of just moving from 0,0 to 100,100, we can try using some random points to generate the video as shown. Now we will combine all these 4 animations to one, that is from 0 to 20%, we will use first animation, 20 to 40% second animation, 40 to 60% third animation, 60 to 80% we will use fourth animation. We can also try changing the background size for each part of the animation. We initially set a background size of 300%. 400% for the second part, 450% for the third part, and 250% for the fourth part. After that, we will create the fifth part of animation, that is from the 80 to 100%, and we will have our video. Finally, adjust the timing of the animation. Here is the entire animation code. Similarly, by adjusting the animation, we can generate this video effect for any other image also. If you find this tutorial valuable, then subscribe to the channel.